How to use iovox Insights. When it comes to phone calls, the most important factor is to have a call recording. If you already have call recordings in your system, that's great. We can seamlessly integrate that into iovox Insights. So there's two main ways of doing this. First is initiating a call with iovox tracking numbers, or using a button on your website to initiate the call. With dedicated numbers, which is our tracking numbers, you can take our numbers and place them to your campaigns. So it could be for email, TV, radio, or on your website. And then when someone calls that number, it'll be immediately routed to your desired agent or team. And then behind the scenes, we're able to capture when the call has happened, for what campaign, and the recording itself. With dynamic numbers, you can get far greater information on the caller, as this uses a pool of tracking numbers, which gets assigned to each visitor that visits your website, so that you can track user sessions, user journeys, web metadata, etc. And then that information gets attached to the call, and then the call comes through the platform where we can collect the call recording. For both Web Callback and Web Connect, it uses a button to initiate a call. A button can be placed anywhere on your web page. It could be in a pop-up. The Web Callback is a form fill where the visitor will fill in their telephone number and then will schedule an instant or a future callback. So at the point of callback, a call is made to the agent, a call is made to the visitor, and then that gets bridged together for them to have a normal phone call experience. Web Connect is where a visitor can trigger a call directly from their web browser through to the agent. So with the need of no numbers, this reduces the risk for spam calls. This also eliminates the high phone number costs for certain countries.